Today, the 11th of January 2018, we are launching the direct connection between New York and Nairobi. So it means in precise terms that you can go to your travel agent or our website and buy a ticket to take a plane and fly direct flight from New York to Nairobi or from Nairobi to New York. It's a new opening for us as an airline as well, because it's a new product. It's going to be our longest flight. It's really like opening a new chapter of our industrial history. We're going to operate the Dreamliner. We're going to fly roughly 14 hours each way. It's going to be a daily flight. But just the fact of being able to pick up a Monday or a Wednesday or a Friday or whatever day suits you, and you are always sure to have a flight, makes this project a challenge, but also makes it somehow exceptional for us. The nice part of connecting New York to Nairobi, or Nairobi to New York, whatever is the origin, is that it really is not addressed to a specific group of people. It's really addressed to the wide range of all the airline customers that we can have.
So Kenya will be the gateway for Sub-Saharan Africa. Conferences in terms of meetings, and this is our agenda as tourism, as well as the leisure tourist. So we hope the number that we have here of approximately 100,000 arrivals from the US will be able to be much more than that.
Goods going to America, you find that they'll be taking short at the time. In particular, the ANGOA program, which was brought in so many years ago, whereby Kenya is exporting, for example, horticultural products, to the US. These ones have been going through Europe, and so the quality of those products sometimes have been negatively impacted. And so the fact that now this AGOA program will be supported by these direct flights, I can tell you for sure that the quality, the value realized by business people will be enhanced.